Hello plant parents, welcome to the series of plant care in my channel Sasya Sampada, where we will today talk about one of the most common, popular and beautiful plant, that is money plant. In appearance, it's an incredibly lush green plant. Its broad leaves, shiny stem and strong branches are also symbolic of prosperity. It's my all-time favorite plant. Caring for money plant is an easy task. It is available in different varieties and size. Golden money plant, marble queen, marble prince, jade plant, Swiss cheese money plant, velvet leaf philodendron, heartleaf philodendron, and so on. Money plants generally grows well in partially sunny and partially shady area. This plant can sustain a high amount of sunlight, but scorching rays will burn the leaves. So selecting shady yet bright position in garden or indoor space would be great for money plant. If they are kept indoor, somewhere near the windows would be the ideal place for its growth. A crucial trick to remember is to water it sparingly. This plant doesn't need too much water to keep it healthy. So between each watering sessions, let the soil dry out a bit so that you can feel that texture. Then water the plant just enough without flooding it. Use tap water or drinking water, but do not use polluted or chemical water. Occasionally give good shower to your plant so that all the dust will go off the plant and leaves will look good, fresh and they can breathe well. Money plant needs sandy peat moss based soil and a pot with good drainage to avoid root rot. These plants can work well in almost any type of fertilizer. However, it is always better to use natural fertilizers like rotted cow manure, compost and chicken manure. Money plants can be grown in water as well. When it is grown in water, there is no need for adding fertilizer. Money plants can be propagated and grown easily from stem cuttings in water or in soil if you take proper care. To propagate, use sharp and clean scissors or cutters to cut the leaf node. You have to make sure that every cutting has one node in it. Fill coco peat and normal potting soil in a small pot. Put each cutting inside the soil. Dip few of them in water. Make sure plant is in high humidity area. After few days, you can see new roots start coming out. Here also you can see new leaves. See new leaves here. Now these plants are ready to be shifted to a bigger pot. There are different methods to decorate your home with this money plant. By planting them in hanging baskets, in raising planters, or we can grow them with moss sticks. Money plants have aerial roots. These roots come out of their stem. If your money plant is throwing out aerial roots, it's a sign of good health. These aerial roots help the plant to absorb moisture from the air or any kind of surface. See, this is moss pole. When this moss pole is used, the aerial roots will attach to the pole and start growing upwards. These moss sticks improves the growth of plant and increases the size of leaves. While watering, water the stick once in a week. The cocoa fiber inside the moss stick absorbs water and supplies moisture to the aerial roots. In my next video, I'll show you how to make moss sticks with cocoa fiber at home. So that's it for today, guys. Do try these simple tips to grow money plant and they will surely flourish. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel. See you with a new video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.